Bitcoin party rolls on, and the market should have been closed. What's up, everybody? This is Bubba's Daily Update, and here we are once again. And today's markets, they might as well have been closed. There was no action. It was one quick rally and then sit for the rest of the day. We saw the NASDAQ up over 40 in the futures. The Dow was up, the Russell was down, and the S&P was up. But basically, there was no action after the opening. There was a little bit of whip early, and then that was basically the end of the trading day. We saw Bitcoin pop open last night, and of course continued to rally into today. And we had, some reasonable volume of probably about 4,000 contracts traded. A lot of restrictions there, though, so still not really tradable from a retail standpoint yet. But certainly looks like it's going to be an active contract and a lot of action there. Gold, which was higher early, closed down. Silver lower. Again, I think some of that money is going from that would normally go into gold and silver is going into Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies. They are under pressure. They did break some key weekly levels, so we'll see what happens there. We saw the grains just once again get really pounded. It's not like it's a lot, but it's like a little bit a day. It's like they just keep taking and taking and taking. In the meantime, soybeans broke a key level of 985. Wheat made a new low. Corn is getting close. We're still really buyers of the grain markets. Again, I don't see a lot to panic here about. My only concern would be in soybeans, but wheat and corn, and certainly at these levels, I'd be a buyer. Meats were very much flat pretty much the day. We'll see. I think we want to look to be a buyer of these somewhere at some level, but not quite yet. Dollar, moderate, waiting for the Fed on Wednesday. Euro currency, waiting for the ECB on Wednesday. So we get a double header this week. But the overall action was really just quiet. And I think this is what we really expect. Unless there's going to be a black swan event between now and the end of the year, this is the type of trade you can expect to see, up or down. It'll go down and stop, it'll go up and stop. And that would be basically what we'd look for. There's not a lot to drive the market. We still believe the markets are looking for a reason to sell off, but we don't believe that will come at any time soon. Now, one of the things we do know, and of course our thoughts and prayers go out to those in New York with another attempt at a terrorist bomb. An idiot tried to almost blew the bomb early. But at the end of the day, it has no effect on the markets. The markets don't budge anymore. So that we know that those things are not basically market sensitive at the moment. Now, again, that could always change. But we have to remember that it's not what you read in the newspaper. It's not the news that you hear. It's what really drives the market. So you want to watch the money flow. That's really what you're looking for. Bonds were a little bit higher, but they sold off late. So there's just not a lot to really get overly excited about right now. I think the best course of action here is really to observe the market and not to get too involved. That's really, sometimes the best trade is no trade. And as it stands, I think this is it here. We do like being short the banks a little bit here based on that they've already priced in all the good news. We're certainly willing to take a stab at gold from the long side. So if you're looking for some ideas, that's kind of what we're looking after. But other than that, I don't really see a heck of a lot to do here. So we're gonna make the official to be observing and patient. And patience is a trade, by the way. In the meantime, don't forget to check out highschoolinvesting.com and see what we do there. We're trying to educate our high school kids and get some financial literacy going. And of course, if you want to help out, you can go to patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day from 2 to 3 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. And Monday Night Football, we're hot. We're going to lay the 11 with the New England Patriots and look for them to drill the Miami Dolphins. And that'll do it for today's edition of Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much. Enjoy the football game. We'll see you tomorrow live from Las Vegas. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll see you later.